Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Okay, I know you're looking at this radar view, you're seeing the snow around Erie, PA, and you're thinking, yeah, no, that snow's probably going to get in here already this morning, but guess what? It's not, because that snow that you see on radar is not reaching the ground, at least the leading edge of it. You have to get way back to the west across the central Great Lakes area before the snow finally reaches the ground. We still have some dry air in place, so that's why some of the snow is actually evaporating as it falls from the clouds down here across northeastern Ohio and into northwestern PA. There's just going to be a chance of a snow flurry during the day, but eventually more of the stuff out to the west where it is reaching the ground will be arriving in here. You can see some of the snow starting to spread into northern Ohio, at least aloft, and also to our south here with the southeastern storm that you've been hearing about in the news reports for the past couple days. Would you believe another 6 to 12 inches of snow on the way for New York City over the next 12 to 48 hours? Just a brutal situation shaping up again for those folks, and up into the New England area, winds whipping up to maybe 35 miles per hour. Not a good scene, and I'm quite sure a lot of cancellations at the airports will be setting up again over the next couple days here. Checking the regional weather conditions, and these are the surface weather observations from the airport locations, and you can see all these sites: Marquette, Green Bay, Chicago, Indianapolis, down through Louisville, reporting light snow. That's what that -SN means. It's the abbreviation for light snow. No one really reporting moderate to heavy snow, and the snowfall could become moderate for a period of time during the nighttime as we get into the overnight, but for the most part, most of this is going to be on the light side, but it will accumulate. It's going to be disruptive, let's put it that way. Your weather for today: cloudy skies for the morning hours through the lunchtime period, about 24 by noontime, 26 to wrap it up at 5 p.m. And we should have some snowflakes coming down in the Buffalo Metro by that time. Super Microcast is suggesting that with the clouds in place over the area today, chance of a snow flurry during the day. Leading edge of the widespread snow lining up from Buffalo down here into Allegheny County already by late afternoon. And that snow will continue to fan out across the area, at least getting into the early evening hours. Orleans County seeing it getting into the early evening here off to the northeast. And then the snow continues overnight, about 2 to 4 inches of accumulation. The winds start to pick up, so maybe some blowing and drifting snow, some lake enhancement possible in Niagara and Orleans counties off the lake up to the north, and a pretty brisk breeze blowing across the area tomorrow. But the snow will start to diminish to snow showers as the East Coast storm starts to become the main player and draws some moisture away from our area off to the east. As we take a look at the broader picture this morning on the roadways, you're looking good out there, at least from the weather perspective. Just cloudy skies, highways north to south, the QEW, the main line into Rochester, back to the west into Erie, and the I-86. Just a chance of a snow flurry maybe on some of these roadways this morning, but that's about it. Current temperatures, 23 degrees with the cloud cover up overnight. The temperatures definitely were kept up a little bit too. 22 at Buffalo, 16 down here at Jamestown, Bradford, and Wellsville. The number of the hour along the Pennsylvania line. Let's check out your forecast details for this Tuesday. We're going to be looking at clouds out there today. Just a chance of a snow flurry, but that steadier, widespread snow arriving by mid to late afternoon. Accumulating an inch or less, especially to the southwest of Buffalo. High temps today, 23 to 27. For the overnight snow, accumulating another 2 to 4 inches, down to 16 to 22 degrees. Tomorrow, cloudy, snow tapering to snow showers, another 1 to 2 inches. So storm totals by the time this winds down later tomorrow afternoon, probably in the order of 3 to 6 inches, 22 to 26. And on Thursday, mostly cloudy, scattered snow showers, 18 to 23. A breather day in there on Friday, not much happening. Some limited sun, 23. But another widespread storm heads our way over the weekend. It should be light snowfall, though, with high temps in the upper 20s.